Hi everyone and welcome back to DevPortal. Today we are focusing on static nested classes in Java. These are useful when the nested class does not need to access the outer class instance. Let me show you how. I already created one class with name main, and inside this file I will create another class outer class, and inside this class I will create one static class, static class, and name I will give static nested class. And inside this class I will create one method void display, and inside this method I will add sysout statement, and I will print inside static nested class. Let me save. Now what I will do, I will try to access this display method from this main method. So for that I need to create the object of static nested class. So I will type outer class dot static class nested equal to outer new outer class dot static class nested class. My object got created. Now nested dot display I will call. I will save and run this code, and you can see in the console it is printing inside static nested class. So in this example, the static nested class does not need the instance of outer class to work. It operates independently. In our next video we will move on the non-static inner classes. These require an instance of outer class, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Till then, happy coding.